When I was a wee laddie, living with my gran, she sent me down to the shop, I didn't walk around. When some other laddies chased me down the street, they was punching with their fists and kicking with their feet. And then I fell and I ran like hell back to my granny's house. My granny sat me on her knee, and this she did espouse. This world is just a stage on which we all must play a part, but dinna let the bastards break your heart. I'll tell ye o' a friend I know, he used to be a punk. He booked to sell some cinsey seeds and started growing skunk. After years of smoking bud, his brain started to crack. They carted him awa under the mental act. I went up by to visit him, he was a sorry sight to see. And all that I could say to him was what my granny said to me. This world is just a stage on which we all must play a part, but dinna let the bastards break your heart. I used to ken this couple that got up to the eyes in debt. When it come to the end of the month, you should have seen them sweat. Then one day their bankruptcy landed in their laps. Oh, the loans and mortgages had finally collapsed. They was doing the social services with a bairn on each knee. And all that I could say to them was what my granny said to me. This world is just a stage on which we all must play our part, but dinna let the bastards break your heart.